So in your embroidery screen, you've got some decorative stitches here. These decorative stitches can be enlarged. So you'll have these on an ordinary sewing machine as well, but on the embroidery machine, they can all be enlarged. Let me just choose the leaves. Set them so they're tiny there. I'm going to edit, go into size. Sizing them here will only allow them to go up a small amount, but if I take them back to the original size and size them through this button, I've got a lot more play on it. So I can move it over. Now if I click here where these boxes are, I can add the pattern and it'll connect to the other pattern. So I can add a pattern above. Oh, taking it off, didn't want to take it off. And then I can add patterns sideways. So in effect I can fill the whole hoop with a pattern like that, which would give me a good all over quilting design. So you can make use of the decorative embroidery stitches within your embroidery setting on your Stellaire or Luminaire. Sorry, if I just go back to this again, if I want to join this on, so I'm going to re-hoop, move everything along a little bit, I can put little markers on here. So this button here will allow me to put a marker. If I want the marker, sorry, just let me go back. On top right hand corner, so it's put a little arrow. So when I re-hoop, I'll put one on the bottom corner as well. So when I re-hoop, I'll have those two arrows and I'll be able to line my pattern up again to continue it. So that's without using sort of the snowman, which we can go on to at another time.